Therefore, from today I am going to make a video of GK question answer series on Indian history, and I will discuss all the questions that have come up repeatedly in various job exams from the history of India. Then without wasting your time, let's start. First question: in which year Quit India movement was started? Right answer of this question is option B, 1942. Yes friends, on 8th August in the year 1942, Mahatma Gandhi started Quit India movement against the British for the independence of India. Gandhiji was the leader of Quit India movement, and on more question comes in exams related to Quit India movement, that what is the slogan of Quit India movement? The right answer, do or die. In Hindi, karenge ya marenge. And remember, Gandhiji himself invented or created this slogan. Cleared? Let's go to the next question. Question number 2. Who founded the Ramakrishna Mission, or who established the Ramakrishna Mission? The right answer, option A, Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda established Ramakrishna Mission on 1st May in 1897. It also very important that in which year Ramakrishna Mission was established or founded. Then the answer will be 1897. The headquarters of Ramakrishna Mission is in Belur Math, Howrah, West Bengal. And for your kind information, Swami Vivekananda was the chief disciple of Indian saint Ramakrishna Paramhans, and this mission was named after his name. Question number 3. On the birthday of which person National Deshprem Divas is celebrated? Right answer, option C, Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes friends, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's birthday 23rd January is declared as Deshprem Divas in India. 14th November, the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru is celebrated as Children's Day, and 12th January in India is celebrated as National Youth Day on the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. Question number 4. It's very important. Who is known as Iron Man of India? Right answer, option D, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the first Deputy Prime Minister as well as the Home Minister of India. And you should know that in present, the tallest statue of the world, Statue of Unity, is made in memory of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, which is located in the state of Gujarat, India. And option A, Lal Bahadur Shastri, was known as Man of Peace. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Prime Minister of India after Jawaharlal Nehru from 1964 to 1966. Next question. Who gave the slogan Inqilab Zindabad? It's very important. Right answer, option A, Maulana Hasrat Mohani, not Bhagat Singh. The Urdu poet and Indian freedom fighter Hasrat Mohani first coined or created this slogan in the year 1921. But this slogan Inqilab Zindabad was popularized by Bhagat Singh. And it oftenly comes in exam that what is the meaning of Inqilab Zindabad? The meaning of this phrase is long live the revolution. Who is called the father of the nation? It is very important question, and you should know the right answer of this question, because this question has come up many times in different job exams. The right answer is option A, Mahatma Gandhi. And for your kind information, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose first time called Gandhiji as the father of the nation on 6 July in 1944 on Singapore radio. Question number 7. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? Right answer, option B, 1919. On 13th April in 1919, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in the city of Amritsar, Punjab. General Dyer was the commander of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Friends, you should know that lots of innocent people died in this massacre. Therefore, Rabindranath Tagore gave the knighthood title back to the British government. It also important that in which year Rabindranath Tagore gave up knighthood. Right answer will be 1919. Question number 8. Arya Samaj was founded by? Right answer, option D, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Dayanand Saraswati established or founded Arya Samaj in 1875 in Bombay, now Mumbai. Option A, Raja Ram Mohan Roy was the founder of Brahmo Samaj. he founded Brahmo Samaj in 1828 in Kolkata? And option B, Atmaram Pandurang, who founded Parthana Samaj in the year 1867. Question number 9. The Rowlatt Act was passed in, right answer option B, 1919. You know that Jallianwala Bagh massacre also happened in this year. In 1916, Home Rule League was founded in India by Annie Besant. And in 1920, non-cooperation movement was started. Gandhiji was the leader of this movement. And this movement was ended in the year 1922. Next question. Question number 10. Who was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Right answer of this question is option A, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gandhiji also wrote a book called Gokhale, My Political Guru. And option C, Chittaranjan Das was the political guru of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 11. Who said, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Right answer, option B, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And you know, Ganesh Chaturthi or Ganesh festival was first started in Maharashtra by Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Let's go to the next question. Who gave the title of Mahatma to Gandhiji? Right answer option C, Rabindranath Tagore. The great Indian poet and Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore called Gandhiji Mahatma, a great soul, on 6 March in 1915. And after Rabindranath Tagore gave Gandhiji the title Mahatma, paying tribute to Tagore gave him the title Gurudev. Question number 13. Who is called by the Prince of Martyrs? Right answer option A, Bhagat Singh. And Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was known as Prince of Patriots. Gandhiji called Subhash Chandra Bose as Prince of Patriots first time. Question number 14. What was the old name of Patna? I think you should know the right answer of this question. Right answer is option B, Pataliputra. And Pataliputra was the capital of Magadha. Now Magadha is known to us as Bihar. Question number 15. Who built the Grand Trunk Road? Right answer option D, Shershah Suri. Grand Trunk Road is also known to us GT Road, was built by Shershah Suri in the early 16th century AD. Let's go to the next question. Question number 16. It's very important. When did the capital of India shift from Calcutta to New Delhi? Right answer option B, 1911. On 12 December in the year 1911, India's capital was transferred from Calcutta to New Delhi. And also remember it, Calcutta was the capital of British India from 1772 to 1911. Question number 17. When did Alexander the Great invade India or attacked India? Right answer option C, 326 BC. BC means before Christ. And in 323 BC, he was died. Question number 18. In which year Nadir Shah invaded India and sacked Delhi? Right answer option B, 1739. Iranian ruler Nadir Shah attacked on Mughal Empire in Delhi and snatched the Kohinoor diamond from India. Question number 19. It is very important. Who was the first president of the Indian National Congress? Right answer option D, Umesh Chandra Banerjee. And in 1885, Indian National Congress was established. It's very important. Umesh Chandra Banerjee became the first president of Indian National Congress, but it was founded by Alan Octavian Hume. And the first session of the Indian National Congress was held at Bombay, now Mumbai. Last and final question, question number 20. In which year Sepoy Mutiny was started? Right answer option C, 1857. Sepoy Mutiny was the first war of Indian independence.